Hello everyone. Today our topic is marketing management part 2. Marketing management is a word that carries the compound meaning marketing plus management. Marketing is the total system of business activities, while management is the art of getting things done in a coordinated and harmonized way. Management may be seen as an art of getting things done through and with the pupil towards the attainment of the objectives of the firm. Thus, we can say that marketing management is a branch of total management and is concerned with the direction of those activities toward the attainment of marketing goals. That is, satisfaction of customer needs, increase in sales volume, and increase in organizational profits also. All activities directed towards attainment of these marketing goals may be characterized as marketing management. Marketing management is the analyze, planning, implementation, and control of programs designed to create, build, and maintain mutually beneficial exchange and relationship with target markets for the purpose of achieving organizational objectives, as you all know. It relies on a disciplined analysis of the needs, wants, perceptions, and preference of target and intermediary markets as the basis for effective product design, pricing, communication, and distribution also. Now, marketing management can occur in an organization in connection with any of its markets. Consider an automobile manufacturer, the vice president of personnel deals in the labor market, the vice president of the purchasing raw materials market, and the vice president VP of finance, the money market. They have to set objectives and develop strategies for producing statutory results in these markets. Now, traditionally, however, these executives have not been called marketers or trained in marketing. Instead, marketing management is historically identified with task and personnel dealing with the customer market. We shall follow this convention, although what we shall say about marketing concepts and principles applies to all markets. Marketing works in the customer market is carried out by sales managers, sales representatives, advertising and promotion managers, marketing researchers, customers service managers, product managers, market managers, and marketing vice president also. Each of these job positions goes along with well defined missions and responsibilities also. Many of these job positions centered on the management of particular marketing resource such as advertising, sales force, or marketing research. On the other hand, product managers, marketing managers, and market managers and the marketing vice president manage programs. Their job is to analyze, plan, and implement programs that will produce a desired level of transactions with specified target markets. Marketing management is one of component of total business management. It is specialized area of management which deals with the marketing aspects of business. Marketing management means managing the market functions efficiently. It represents a market concept in action. Thus, marketing management is concerned with the area of total management which deals with the broad problem of sales. Marketing management may be defined as the process of management of marketing programs in order to accomplish corporate objectives also. The marketing management process is quite comprehensive. It is looked after by a manager called a marketing manager. So the basic functions of management, planning, organizing and directing are required to be conducted by all categories of managers in organizations. A marketing manager has to perform similar managerial functions while performing regular marketing operations and activities. A marketing manager needs capacity to perform all managerial functions in the field of marketing in an efficient and orderly manner. So, what is marketing management? Now we discuss in details. Marketing management, as defined, marketing management is the process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, and promotions and distributions of goods, service, and ideas to create exchange with target groups that satisfy customer organizational objects. Marketing management is the analyze, planning, implementation, and control of programs designed to create deals and maintain beneficial exchange and relations with the target markets for the purpose of achieving organizational objectives. Marketing management deals with planning, implementation, and control of entire marketing programs of a firm. It includes various managerial functions such as determining marketing objectives and so on. The three kinds of goals are satisfaction of customer needs, increase in sales volume, number three, increase in organizational profits. So these goals are correlated. Therefore, marketing management is a functional area of business management which has to deal with the consumer needs to want in the first place, followed by promotions and pricing to create specific demand for the goods or service or idea in questions, and then flow of goods or services or ideas to the customer, and finally informations from the customer about expected satisfactions. Now, marketing management definition. According to the American Marketing Association, marketing management is the process of planning and executing the concept of pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, and services, create exchange that satisfy individual and organizational objectives. Now, marketing management is the process of ascertaining customer needs also, converting them into products or services, and then moving to products or services to the final consumer or users to satisfy those such needs and wants to specific consumer segments or segments with the emphasis and profitability, ensuring the optimum use of the services available to the organizations. Marketing management is a branch of the broad area of management. Marketing management is concerned with the direction of purposeful activities towards the attainment of the marketing goals also. In the words, marketing management is concerned with the direction of purposeful activities towards the attainment of marketing goals. Marketing management is the analyze, planning, implementation, and control of programs designated to bring about desired exchange with the larger audience for the purpose of the personal or mutual gain. It relies heavily on the adaptations and coordinations of the product, price, promotions, and plays for achieving effective response. The above definitions clearly bring out the substance of marketing management, and marketing management is the marketing concept in the actions. It is process which involves analysis, planning, implementations, and control, and is concerned with the exchange of goods and services of products, satisfactions for both buyers and seller. Now, marketing management meaning, the marketing management represents marketing concept in action, that is management of demand under a customer oriented marketing approach. Now, marketing management may be defined as the process of management of marketing programs to accomplish corporate objectives. It involves planning, implementation, and control of marketing programs or campaigns. Marketing management represents an important functional area of business. Other area are productions, finance, and administration also. It is in charge of the marketing process, that is the flow of goods, services from the producers to the customers or consumers. It looks after the marketing systems to the enterprise, and it performs managerial functions in the field of marketing also as an agency of demand management. Marketing management is in charge of regulating the level of timing and character of marketing demand in such a manner that the enterprise will be able to realize or the planned objectives. Number one, productivity, higher rate of output and sales, customer satisfactions and social satisfaction, that is profit, is assured as a reward of customer social satisfaction. Concept of marketing management concept means the philosophy, belief or attitude of the management of a firm which guides its marketing efforts. There are five marketing concepts of marketing management, philosophies which dominated the marketing policies at different stages of their evolutions. They are: number one, the exchange concept; number two, the production concept; number three, the product concept; number four, the selling concept; and number five, the marketing concept. Now, the exchange concept of marketing. The exchange concept of marketing, as the very name indicates, hold that the exchange of a product between the seller and the buyer is the central idea of marketing. Though exchange forms an important part of marketing, to consider marketing as a mere exchange process would definitely undermine the essence of marketing. A proper scrutiny of the marketing process obviously reveals that marketing is far wider than exchange. In other words, the meaning of exchange is narrow, whereas the meaning of marketing is wide. An exchange at the most cover distributions aspects and price mechanisms involves in marketing, but it does not include the other important aspects such as consumers cares, generation of value satisfactions, creating sales and integrated actions for the serving the customer. Now, the production concept of marketing, number 2 point. The production concept of marketing holds that consumers will always be ready to respond to products which are made available easy and an affordable, that is lower price. Therefore, the major task of the producers is to strive constantly to improve productions and distributions efficiently and bring down the prices also. So these concept believes that marketing can be managed by managing productions. It assumes that if the production is good and reasonably or fairly priced, consumer response is favorable and little marketing effort will be necessary to promote sales and achieve profits. It is based on the premise that consumers know the competing brands and therefore no promotions or sales efforts are necessary. So this was the marketing philosophy till 1930. However, this philosophy has been criticized on several grounds. Easy availability and low price are not the only parameters which govern the buying motives of the consumer. It should be noted that the consumers buy those goods which satisfy their wants even at high prices. Secondly, this philosophy neglects the quality considerations, which is an important factor in marketing also. Thus, this concept fails to serve as the right marketing philosophy for the business firms. Now, number 3, the product concept of marketing. According to the product concept marketing, the management believes that the consumers always favor products of superior quality and popular make and good performance also. Therefore, successful marketing calls for continuous product planning and development and improvement in quality standards. These concepts encourage the product innovations, quality assurance and research and development also. However, this concept suffers from marketing myopia, that is short-sighted and crooked perceptions. Now, because many business firms do not bother to study the market and the consumer in depth, they get themselves totally engrossed with the product and almost forget the consumer for whom the product is really needed. Further, they fail to find out that the consumer actually need and what they would gladly accept. Now, when the eloquently describes the uh, business firms' obsessions with the product and these negligence of the customers, and says they do not get as excited about their customers in their own backyard as about the oil in the distant Sahara Desert. Now, the selling concept of marketing. This concept assumes that consumers will not buy enough of the firm's products unless they are approached through intensive sales promotions and advertising and salesmanship efforts and effective communications with the market. It emphasizes the need for intensive sales efforts and aggressive selling also. It contends that the consumers voluntarily do not buy on their own account unless and until they are induced by the effective sales efforts. Even the best products cannot be sold without the help of sales and promotions and aggressive salesmanship. Thus, this concept emphasizes the prominence of advertising and salesmanship, publicity, campaigns, and sales promotion techniques in the marketing process also. However, this concept has been criticized on the ground that that it lays greater emphasis on increasing the sales and not on consumer satisfactions. Further, it attempts to narrow down the marketing to the functions of selling. But it should be noted that selling is not a part of marketing, not the whole of it. So the aims of the marketing is to make selling super. So again, the selling concept leads to heavy sales expenditure for recruiting, training, and motivating the sales force, which may prove sometimes unfruitful. The number 5, the marketing concepts or consumer oriented concept. This is the modern concept of marketing which was introduced in the marketing philosophy and objectives after 1950. And this concept holds the primary task of business firms is to study the needs, desire, and preference of the potential consumers, and on the basis of the latest and accurate information about the market demand, the firm should produce and offer those products and services which are actually needed by the consumers and which satisfy their needs much better than those of its competitors. So, the essence of marketing concept is that the customer and not the seller or the product should be the center or the heart of the entire business system. It emphasizes the customer oriented marketing process. It uphold consumer sovereignty, that is the fact that the customer is the king, which is always honored in economic history. So that's for the video, my friend. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.